Welcome. My name is Heike Peter from PosiTim, representing the Copernicus POD service. Today I would like to present you some results on the orbit determination of the Sentinel-1 satellites. Due to shortness of time, I will focus on the reprocessing which we have done during the last months. Some words to the Copernicus POD service. It is a service within the European Copernicus program and is a consortium led by GMV in Spain. It is responsible for the providing orbital and auxiliary products of the Sentinel satellites listed here to the user community. In the table below, you see the orbit accuracy requirements for the Sentinel-1 mission. And for the non-time critical orbits, we have, for instance, an orbit accuracy requirement of 5 centimeter in 3D in comparison to external processing facilities, which is also valid for the reprocessed orbits. In this timeline, you see for both satellites selected evolutions in the operational orbit determination. And you can see that we did many updates and changes during the long mission times of both satellites. In particular, the last two changes mid of last year with the update of the GPS antenna reference points and beginning of this year with an update of orbit parameterization are two main reasons for the reprocessing. We need GPS orbit clock and bias products which are compatible with the ITRF 2014 for the entire mission times. And this product is kindly provided by the Center for Orbit Determination in Europe, which is one of the analysis centers of the International GNSS service. For the orbit validation and quality control of the Sentinel-1 orbit solutions, we got external solutions from the Copernicus POD Quality Working Group. These groups also processed the entire mission time of the two satellites. A combined orbit solution is then generated from all these orbit solutions, serving as a reference for orbit validation. Here you can see the necessity for the reprocessing. So in black, you see the old operational orbit product, and in red the new one compared to the new combined orbit solution, and the jump mid of last year due to the change of the antenna reference point is more than obvious. The results here show on the left hand side all orbit solutions compared to the combined orbit solution, and we see a high consistency below 1.5 centimeters for most of the time. In red, you can see the reprocessed CPOD orbit solution. On the right-hand side, we have the statistics for all orbital components, and it's clearly visible that the orbit accuracy requirement of lower than 5 centimeter in 3D RMS with respect to external orbit solutions is fulfilled with large margin. So we did a full mission reprocessing of the precise orbit products for the two Copernicus Sentinel-1 satellites. And we still see small systematic and seasonal variations in the orbit differences between different groups. And further investigations on the satellite macro model are needed because of this. But this is just to even improve the well-performing orbit solutions. The reprocessed orbit solutions from the Copernicus POD service are available on the Copernicus Data Hub. But as long as the Sentinel-1 SAR products are not reprocessed or regenerated, including the reprocessed orbit positions, be very careful when processing data before and after this date, where you will see an orbit shift of 6 to 7 centimeters. Thank you, and I'm looking forward to your questions and comments.